Bonjour mes élèves, hi kids, bienvenue dans notre leçon du jour, leçon de grammaire pour 5e primaire. It's the present tense of ER verbs. Des verbes premier groupe, des verbes en ER, ok? On va expliquer the forms of regular ER verbs like étudier, parler, voyager. Ok? Alors, on commence. How to conjugate most regular ER verbs in French. First, we have to take the ER away, the end of the infinitive. Like parler, the last two letters, ER, it's the infinitive ending. ER, drop it, then add the stem, the radical. The stem, it means the following endings: es, ons, ez, ent. Okay, it's two steps. We will take the er away, then we add some letters to the stem, to the radical of the infinitive. What's left after dropping the er, we call it the stem of the verb. Then we will add es, ons, ez, ent. These endings we add it according to the subjects or to the pronouns. Okay, let's see. For example, le verbe étudier. Le verbe étudier, it means to study. I want to say I study. First, you will drop the ER. J'étudie, j'étudie. I study. Tu étudies. Il étudie. Elle étudie. He studies, she studies. Nous étudions, étudions. Vous étudiez. Ils étudient, elles étudient. Notice that we never pronounce the nt at the end of ent verbs. We used to drop the nt when we pronounce. Okay? Let's take another verb. Le verbe parler. Parler, without a, it will be parle. So the and the es and the with the singular pronouns je, tu, il, elle. These endings, it's like a silent endings. We don't pronounce it. So it will be je parle, tu parles, il, elle parle, nous parlons, with the plural pronouns, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. So what happened here is we changed the infinitive parler. We took away the er, and we've added instead the with the je, es with the tu pronoun, with il and elle, and these three endings are like silent. We don't pronounce them clear in a clear way. It will be je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle. Nous parlons, the ons, on, the ez, et, vous parlez, il, elle parle, and the nt, don't forget that it's a silent ending. Okay, what's the difference between je and J apostrophe? Je and J apostrophe. Je becomes J apostrophe when it appears before a verb that begins with a vowel sound. We used to drop the from je and put apostrophe instead if the verb starts with a vowel, like le verbe habiter, j'habite à Paris. J'habite à Paris. J'aime Paris. J'aime Paris. We don't say je aime Paris. We say j'aime Paris, because when we drop the it's nothing. Now it's la lettre J followed by A. J'aime Paris. J'adore Paris. J'adore Paris. J'étudie les maths. J'étudie les maths. J'oublie mon livre d'histoire. J'oublie mon livre d'histoire. Alors, le verbe étudier. À l'université, j'étudie la biologie. Some examples for the verb étudier. À l'université, j'étudie la biologie. It's a branch of science. Et toi, tu étudies la biologie? Non, je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas la biologie. Je n'aime pas la biologie. Mon ami étudie la physique. Mon ami étudie la physique. My friend studies physics. Vous étudiez l'informatique, n'est-ce pas? Do you study computer? N'est-ce pas? Isn't it? Nous, ma camarade de chambre et moi, nous étudions la chimie et les langues étrangères. My friend and me, we study la chimie, chemistry, et les langues étrangères, and foreign languages. Les élèves étudient la philosophie. Philosophie, it's a subject from high school. Now, le verbe étudier, it's a verb, ER verb, it means to study, and we got some examples for it, how to read it. Now, let's take some common ER verbs like aimer, adorer, dessiner, détester. Le verbe aimer, if you wanna read it au présent, it will be j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Le verbe adorer, j'adore, tu adores, il adore, elle adore, nous adorons, vous adorez, ils adorent, elles adorent. Le verbe dessiner, to draw, je dessine, tu dessines, il dessine, elle dessine, nous dessinons, vous dessinez, il dessine, elle dessine. Le verbe détester, to hate, and then go on and practice how to pronounce the verb on ER orally. Within the pronouns, je, tu, il, elle, nouveau, il, elle, try to practice the reading, how to read them with the pronouns.